Hi all, welcome to Rax Infotech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply October 2024 RU patch on Oracle 19c. It's the latest RU patch, guys. So I'll explain clearly step by step procedure. Before going through this video, I'm just sharing my this channel Rax Infotech. Here I'm going to share all Oracle DB and Oracle Apps DB cloud related and other databases also I used to I'm planning to share those information as well in future. As of now, all Oracle DBA, RAC DBA, Oracle Apps DB related videos I already posted. If you are interested and if you like this channel, you can subscribe this channel. Also, few people are posting on the videos. Could you please share me the text? Could you please share me the comments and all? For them, I'm saying it's my blog, Anjani Apps DBA here. Whatever the videos I made, those content, those text information I have posted in my blog. If possible, you can go through here and then you will get it. Most of the information I have shared in the video descriptions, most of the videos. Okay, that's all from brief introduction about Rax Infotech. Okay, guys, let's get started. So, how to apply October CPU? In my previous video, I have shared the July CPU as well. So every quarter, I try to make a video and post it in my channel. Okay. Okay, if you want to apply, this is the standard document, guys. You can go through this document, support.oracle.com, and you logged in with your personal ID or the company mail ID. This document is especially they are going to share October CPU related information. Here it is. Okay, so you can go to this document and click on this Oracle 19. So if you are going to plan grid infrastructure patches, also we have everything, OJVM, grid, everything we have. So this October CPU patch I'm going to show you on Oracle Linux operating system. Okay, it is not for other Windows operating systems or any other operating system. It's especially, specifically for Linux operating system, x86 64-bit. This patch we need to apply. So let me explain the procedure and then we can go ahead to as per the procedure. Let me explain. So we required another patch. It's mandatory Opatch utility. Every RU patch, they are going to recommend us to upgrade our Opatch utility. So this is the standard patch number for our Opatch utility. Okay. So to apply your October RU patch, these are all the high level steps. First, we need to check the existing patch sets. What is the latest RU patch which we applied in our environment, that we need to check. Then we need to download the latest RU from support.oracle.com, just before I have shown you, right? So we will go through that. And then copy, once we downloaded the patch from the support.oracle.com, and we need to copy to our database server and then unzip it. Okay. And then next one, we need to go to README file. Each and every patch, we need to go to the README file. README file is like this. Let me show you the README. This is the README file of our October CPU. So in this README file, what we are going to learn is, see, they are going to give you the step-by-step instruction. What are all the patch information? What the patch is going to changes? What are all the changes, updates? They're going to inform all those things. And the prerequisites. What are all the prerequisites we need to apply? Okay. I don't want to take like it's a kind of theory to explain and all. It's not required. You just simply go to this README file. I'll upload it. I'll put this in our description, video description. You can read it. Okay. Once we have downloaded the patch, and we need to download the Opatch utility. Okay, in README file, it is recommended us to go with latest Opatch utility. So we need to upgrade our Opatch version. That also I'll show you as part of our lab. Okay, Opatch version we will check, and we need to be up to date. Opatch utility should be there before you applying this October 2024 RU patch. That I'll show you. Once that Opatch utility is done, we need to unzip our main patch, which we downloaded 369125, and then we need to do the prerequisites like patch analysis script that we need to run. That will show you if you need to apply any prerequisite patches, or if you want to do any rollback it required, that will give you the analysis. Post this analysis, we can take the downtime approvals and plan. First, we are going through a dev environment, right? So this is the NADA dev test UAT, then prod. It's different. I mean, it is not accurate, the information. It is environment to environment. The naming conversion will be different. What is the names they are going to use? That different scenario. These things we call it as the non-productions. This is the production is the live. That is a generic and standard. So at least one or two non-productions should be test this batch before going to the production. Okay, it is better to go with our two or three non-production environments. So we used to start from the dev and then the test, next UAT or pre-prod, and then production. This is an order. Okay, so we need to take a downtime and then we can plan for our RU patch. This patch on downtime we are going to. Once you get the downtime, so you can take before going to shut down your databases, you can take the full backup of your database and important configuration files we need to take, and then take the invalid count before applying the RU patch. That is very, very important. And then as part of your downtime window, suppose it could be like 9 p.m. IST to 10 p.m. IST, 1 hour downtime. Okay, 1 hour downtime. During this downtime, you can stop your database listener and the database services, then apply this patch by using Opatch utility. After finishing up this patch, you can start the database and the listener. And again, we need to take invalid count. If any invalids generated more invalids, try to compile it by using utlrp.sql script. I'll show you that as well. And then still after you compiled the invalids, still there are couple of invalids is there. What you can do is you can connect with oraclesupport.com saying that, hey, team, I have applied so and so, I mean, October's RU patch. I saw these many invalids generated. I tried to compile, it is not valid. I mean, those objects are not valid. So they will help you on it. Okay. If there is no invalids, no need to worry. Generally, 99% we will not get much issues. That depends upon environment to environment. If it is a standard environment, we may not face much issues because Oracle team itself, they are going to test this patch multiple times before releasing to business, I mean users, our clients, customers. Okay, no worries. Once we're done with this and we need to run the data patch warehouse, this we are going to done after your database is up and running. Okay, this will update your SQLs and latest versions, whatever the upgraded components, database components upgraded, that will update. It is mandatory. Okay, this we need to run RU patch or CPU major patches when you are applying. Okay, major changes. Okay, database components changes. If normal one-off patches, if you are applying, you don't need to run this part. Okay, this will mention in our README. What are all the things we need to run, what are all the things we will not touch. Okay, we shouldn't what we should, what we shouldn't, everything is mentioned in the readme file. Okay, then once the data patch verbose, it may take like 20 to 30 minutes, depends upon the environment to environment. Generally it will complete within 20 to 30 minutes and release the instance. That's all about our October CPU patch. These are all the high level steps. Now we can see practically. Okay, so as I said, for October RU patch, this is the main patch. This is not a grid. This is a standalone database. Okay, standalone database patch. And this is the Opatch. These two we need to download it from where? See, this is the doc ID. We need to standard doc ID. Click on this release. See, this patch is released on 15th October 2024. So if you apply this patch, your database version is going to upgrade to 19.25. If you apply July CPU, it is 19.24. Okay, click on this part. It will go to your support.oracle.com login page. Just click on it and then it will prompt you to download. Okay, once that is downloaded, see here which operating system you want to apply this patch. As I said initially, I'm using Linux x86 64, this one. So I'm going to download this patch. Okay, this I already downloaded. You just click on this part, it will download it for you. Okay, if somebody is using different operating system, different platform, HP or Linux x86, IBM AX, Linux x86, Oracle Solaris or Solaris, okay, IBM Linux, whatever it is, whatever the operating system you're using, that patch you need to download. Patch number will be same for all the operating systems, but you need to select according to that. Okay, and the 68088 patch also we need to download it. If you want to click on this part, it is going through here. Just you can give that 6880 688. Yeah. And click on that part and you can download it. In our previous video also I showed you it. I may not lag this video. Simply you can download this patch. That's all about our patching download options. Okay. And before that, what we need to check, what are all the patch set are in our environment, right? What are all the latest RU or what are all the patches applied on our Oracle home? So go to Oracle home location, Opatch, check the Opatch version first. Our Opatch version is 12.20.117. Okay. And check what are all the RUs applied on our server. So it's 19.3. It's standard. Whenever we have installed the database, it's standard database release update. See, release update is it's too old. 2019 April 16th patch we are having. So now we are going through 2024. Okay, 2024 October RU patch. So after we apply it, this will update it. Okay. So if you want to apply October CPU, this first Opatch version we need to upgrade because this Opatch is going to drive that patch. So the driver should be upgrade, Opatch driver, and then the main patch will be taken care of. Okay. So let me take this nap and we'll go one by one, step by step. So this step is done. Next, we need to connect to download support.oracle.com as I showed you. Go here. Let me, yeah, this is enough. Click on this part for download. If you click on this one and this part, it will show you like this. I don't want to make time extended and all. This is the download. If you want the patch, if you already know the patch, directly go here and then give the patch number here. Select the patch number, which one, and then you can download it. Okay, that's it. So how to copy? I already downloaded. So if you want to download, I mean, by using WinSCP, you can copy those patches to this one. Okay. Let me copy the patches from my local machine to database server. We can use WinSCP. Okay. Or else in this, if you are using MobileXam, you can download, you can upload patches from here, but I'll show you WinSCP tool. It is a very good tool to copy your flows. New site, host name, and OS username, OS password, login. So I have logged into my server. This right hand side, whatever it is there, it is your database server. Left hand side, whatever it is there, it is my Windows machine. Where it is software, DB softwares, VMs. So RU 1925. So this is the patch and this is another patch. So if you want to copy those patches to your which location you want to copy, select that. And then if you want to create different directory, you can create directory from here also. You can use backend also, you can create. I'm going to create here RU. Okay, so RU directory I have created. Just you can select these two and drag from there to here. These will copy automatically. Okay, those will take time because of the internet speed and other things is depends. So in this way we are going to copy, but I'm not going to copy these things. So I'll use the same location because I have created the shared directory. I'm using virtual machine. Even it is completed here, but space is going to take more space. du-kh u01. See, it's almost 57 gig, 14 gig used, 57 availability. Let me go to u01 ls. See my RU directory which I created from there. I have copied those two patches from here. Okay, let me go back and make it chmod -rf 777 permission to my RU folder. Okay. Earlier it is having, what is this, 600. Okay, 646,200 something. That's okay. It is not having full permission. I have updated to this full permission, right? 241, I think this one, 241. 241. Yes. R means 2, W means 4, X means 1, 241. Here, 611 is a permission. Now I have changed it to 777, triple seven. Triple seven means that first three characters, read, write, execute. That is for user, this Oracle user. Next three characters for group, this group, and this one for others. Apart from this user and this group, anybody can able to access this file and they can modify this file. That is the meaning of this. That's okay. That is different story. So we'll follow the document as it is. Okay. I have copied it. How I copied? By using WinSCP, I copied. Let me take a snap of this. And this information I'll post in my blog, guys. You can go and read or follow this blog. You will get it. For theory, text. Those who are looking for text, those who are watching for video, you can use it on this thing. Okay, upgrade our Opatch utility is recommended by as per README. README also I'll show you so that you will have more clarity on it. Where it is, here it is. Okay, prerequisites. Click on the prerequisite option. It is going to say Opatch utility version should be 12.20.1.43 or later. 4.3 or later it should. Okay, then only we can apply this patch. This is a prerequisite. So as of now, what version we are using? Opatch version is 12.20.1.17, but it is recommended 1.43. So if you apply this one, our Opatch version is going to change. Okay, let me show you how to upgrade. Okay, Opatch utility, Opatch version. See, 1.17, we are going to upgrade to 1.40. Very simple, this one. Go one step back, LSFNLD Opatch. This folder, we are going to upgrade it. This is old one. Okay, old. I have moved it. So this exists, this will not exist. Okay. Opatch is not going to there. I have renamed it to underscore old. So you can unzip this. This will create this Opatch folder. That is the Opatch version. Very simple. Okay. I'm here. Unzip, or else I'll go to U01 RU. Here I have unzip the P6 patch number -D in this location. I'm going to unzip. Mostly it required privileges. Root user we used to use to do that. Let it be. Okay. Yep, done. So Opatch has been unzipped. What it is going to do? Okay, leave it this part. I'll take command from here. This I'll take a snap and post in our thing. Okay. So our Opatch upgrade is completed. Very simple. Just unzipping the 6880888. That concludes your. Let me check. Okay. Go back. LSFNLD Opatch. Now check. See, this one I have unzipped. This one old one. So you can check now Opatch version. Opatch version. Too many arguments. Version. That's okay. Okay. Let me check. Here, whatever, why we are getting this error means the Opatch version which we downloaded, the patch itself, it is not correct one. I'll show you the patch which we have downloaded. Earlier, I have mistakenly shown you previous Linux version, but we need to download proper patch. That is this one, Linux x86 64-bit. Then only we can able to see this. Okay, that is only one thing. Okay, else everything is cool. So from Opatch version 1.17 to 1.44, we have upgraded. That is one prerequisite that we have done it. Okay, let me take this. Here, what this one is not correct one. I'll show you that. Done. Okay. Now here the copy version should be this one. It should be Linux x86-64. It should be there, and the patch also it should have Linux. Same operating system should be. While you are downloading the patch, is very important. The operating system should be properly selected. Okay, and let me go to the README file. Okay, let me go to the README file. That's okay. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Let me open the doc ID and then we can go to the patch readme file. That will make our life easy when you're going with readme file. Okay, this is our CPU, not the CPU, it's RU patch. Okay, click on this readme. Okay, HP. So operating system which we are going to select, that is very important one. Okay, so here Linux x86-64. Click on this, it will show you refresh. If any network issues or other things, we used to see all these things. Okay, see, this is our Linux operating system. We are not going to download this patch, but just I want to see the readme file. We already have that patch, right? So prerequisite, we met it minimum required 1.43, but our Opatch version is 1.44. Okay, we are higher than the existing thing. Okay, done. Next one, installation. Now we need to proceed with the patches. Okay, so download is done, unzip is done. Patch unzip is we need to do it. Okay, main patch unzip we need to do it. Unzip the main patch and do the patch analysis. Okay, here there is to mention, see unzip this patch. How we need to unzip? Unzip command and the patch number and go to this patch location, run this command. Very simple, right? Same, we can follow the same thing. Go to the patch location, U0 RU. So this is the patch, unzip patch number. Okay, let me take the snap. Okay, just enter. That will unzip the patch. Once the patch is unzipped, we can use this command cd patch number. Go to the patch number location, it's 36, or else we can use this. Okay, in this location and run this script. Go to 3691 to this thing, which Opatch. Opatch path is not set. If it is not set, what we need to do is we can use complete. This command is there, right? Okay. Before this, you can put echo dollar Oracle home Opatch. Let me show you this. This will happen if you are not going to set things properly. That will come. No worries. This is okay. Now we can use this full command where you have, otherwise we need to set the path, export path equal to Oracle home dollar path, that we can set it. Otherwise you can use complete where you have Opatch utility, that path we need to mention from this patch location. Okay, this is very important. Patch location, we need to execute it. If you set the path, you don't need to give the complete path, Oracle home path. These things is not required if you set this path. If you are not set, we need to. Okay. So it will show you, see, check conflicts against your Oracle home and details. If any conflicts is there, it will show you. So there is no conflicts. So Opatch succeeded. It is not recommended any kind of prerequisites. So we are good to proceed now. Let me update this completely. Okay, next we can go with downtime window as we are doing POC environment. So we don't need to go with. Once you have the downtime, then we can proceed to apply the patch. Backups also I'm not going to take it because it's a test environment. Is not, you can use, the depends, RMAN you can use, cold backups you can take, or hard backups you can take. I made the separate videos for these backups, how to make POC instance, a test demo instance, approvals not required. Okay, now we need to take invalid count. Okay, how we are going to take, let me connect it to database, select name comma open mode from VDL database. DB is up and running. It's a multi-tenant. All are cool. No. Select. Let me take a spool. Spool invalids before patch.txt. Or else you can use SQL developer. That is also fine. Select star or invalid names, right? Let me take it off. Describe DBA underscore objects. If you want to select a specific column, select, I want to take object name, owner and object name, and the status from DBA underscore objects where status equal to invalid. Invalid. So it will give you the all the invalids which are there. If it is there, it will give. If we don't have, then no row selected. Alter session set container equal to, give the PDB name. PDB level also we can check. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Spool of exit. So we don't have any invalids. I have taken the count. Let me give you this command. So we don't have any invalids. Zero invalids. Now we can stop the database listener, and it's a multi-tenant thing, right? So first what we need, alter pluggable database, close all close, pluggable database, all close. So we have two PDBs, both are mount state. Now you can shut down the CDB, container database. These are the pluggable databases. If you want to stop the pluggable databases, you can use alter at a time. We have multiple, two, right? So I use this. If you have only one, you can use alter pluggable database name close. And this will, CDB will, container database will be shut it down. This is an order, sequence, not the order, sequence. Let it go. That's okay. Not required. Complete things. Done. Next, we can stop the listener also, right? Listener, it's very simple. LSNRCTL, stop. Listener has been successfully stopped. First, we need to stop the listener and then DB order sequence follow. If you follow, that's fine. Else, that's okay. Next, we can proceed with our patch. So database is shut it down properly. If you have any customizations, you can take. We don't have any customs here. Customization scripts or custom script, custom steps or anything. Clean. Now, PWD. So here what I want to do is I'm going to apply this patch. Okay, from this location, the same command completely which I used for prerequisites, I can use this, apply, Opatch, apply. Okay, from this location. That's it. It is going through and it will prompt you a couple of your system is ready for patching and then Opatch is ready to apply. So one or two queries it is going to ask, not one or two queries. Let it be. Let me take it here. Do you want to proceed? Just give Y. Yes. And then next question it will ask you, is your local system patching, like system ready for patching? Yes. These two queries, and then it will proceed and apply everything, and then we need to proceed next. These two prompts. That's it. Press Y and then enter. It won't prompt you anything else. It is going through. Once it is done, I'll get back to you. Okay, guys. Patch has been completed successfully. Let me take a snap of this and we'll post on our. All these things will available in my blog, anjani.apps.dba. There, all these snapshots will be there. Also, text I'll post over there. So, patch is completed. Now we can start our database. Okay. So, if you want to, we can check once the patch applied or not. Let me check. Oh, patch ls patches is right word. patches. See, if you type some mistakes also, it will show you what command we need to use. All the options. Okay, these are all the Opatch options. Apply and apply means multiple. If you want to roll back the patch, multiple patches. If you want to roll back, you can use this. So all these commands. Okay, see here. Oracle database release update 19.25 from 19.3 to 19.25. It's the latest patch 2024 October 15th released patch we have successfully applied. Okay. Let me take this snap. Okay. Now we can start. Next step is start the database and the DB listeners, right? And connect to SQL prompt. See the patch SQL prompt. This is SQL version, guys. The SQL plus tool which we are going to use, right? That version. All the products is going to from upgrading from 19.3 to 19.25. It's the latest one. Startup. It will start the container plus pluggable databases. Both it will start at a time. If it is not like our pluggable database is not started, we will start manually. That I'll show you. Okay, one, yes, done. Show PDBs. Pluggable database is not started yet. Let me start. Okay, and make sure when you are going to run data patch verbose, your pluggable database should be up and like open read write mode. Alter pluggable database all open. Okay, now check show PDBs. See, these are read write mode. Cool. Now, listener, we need to start the listener. We are almost completed the patching part. Just start the listener also. That will exit from here. LSNRCTL start. If you have multiple listeners on the server, you can use that the listener name also. Listener LSNRCTL start listener name. Or if you are using only one listener, just you can use this command. Okay. Yes, listener has started. It will take like couple of minutes to read the services, but this is a command where we can use to start our listener. Okay, now take the invalid counts. So invalid count before and after, it's very important, right? So select count, start from DBA underscore objects where object underscore name invalid. invalid. So before and after patch, invalid count is 0. So there is no new invalid generated. If you found something, some new objects got invalid, you can use utlrp.sql script to compile it. Okay. So here, no invalids. So no need to connect with our support.oracle.com. Now, it's very, very important. Data patch verbose we need to run. Don't forget to execute this command. Data patch verbose or hyphen verbose. Let me clear the screen. Okay. Data patch hyphen verbose. This is the command. Okay. This will take time to update all the products which have upgraded from 19.3 to 19.25 latest RU. Okay. That will take time, and parallelly you can check your connectivity, SQL developer connectivity, whether it is connecting or not, remote connections and other things. Then we can release the instance. So that's all about our October RU CPU patch on our Oracle 19C database. Operating system is Linux x86 64-bit. Okay. Hope you like this session. Okay. If you want to learn more on Oracle DB and Apps DB related stuff, follow my channel like Rax Infotech. And if you like it really, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.